Reliability. Reliability. How do you pronounce reliable?
Reliable.
Reliable.
Reliable. Ano reliable?
What?
How do you spell the word pronunciation?
Pronunciation.
P-R-O-N-O-U-N-C-I-A-I.
Mali.
It doesn't have O.
When it
Pronoun nga
comes
eh.
to noun, walang O.
Pronunciation.
Oh, you lang.
P-R-O-N-U.
Ah.
P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N.
Yeah, that's it.
Pronunciation.
But when we spell pronoun, there's a O, right? Bakit?
I'm gonna dance. It's embarrassing. Hello guys, we're filming a ano nga to?
What the fuck? Advocacy.
Advocacy for
Advocacy.
the upcoming science exhibit. I think they're gonna post this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's support us. Huh?
Please support us. Let's
Okay.
support us.